Hey you all, welcome to my channel. So yes, I am back from the Vietnam trip and I have something to share with you just about that. And I'm going to share some of the very amazing picks from Amazon which are super affordable and must-haves for your next vacation if you're thinking to, if you're planning to. These are some amazing stuff that will help you organize, stay in fashion and about that. So everything around those lines. So let's get started. Firstly, let's start with the clothing items. So this is first dress which I wore, and you want this dress, and oh my god, when I saw this, I was like, I just bought it without even looking into the details because it was so affordable. It was so feminine, cute, boho backless dress which looked so appropriate for the trip. So I got it, and it's so made the whole pictures and the vibe so vibrant. Secondly, this sarong, it is such a cheap and affordable buy, but yes, it is very thin, and it is very thin and actually transy, but actually sarongs are made to be like that, so you can see through. But yes, also does the job of covering it so you don't feel awkward in public, or you just can take the modest pictures with swimwear. So that was my purpose, because I just wanted to look not so flashy with my swimwear, and I wanted to take good beach pictures as well. Next is this toiletry pouch. Okay, this came late, but I have had something like this before and I lost it sometime, and it's upgraded one. It's better than that because I can see it has something more than the previous one. So it has a hanging tool, the zippers, and this transparent pouch for your risky stuff which can leak. So yeah, it does the job, and you can also see them because it has that net thing. So yes, everything will be in your vision, and quite spacious, by the way, for your bigger bottles. I travel with miniatures, like as mini as it can be for the uh, duration I'm traveling. I just pack it in the smaller versions. So smaller bottles, I just take smaller bottles with me because I save space via not using the full size bottles for shampoos and stuff. So yes, that's my trick of traveling and saving space and weight at the same time. So yes, this was my second packing item. Now let's go with the beauty products. Firstly, this foot cream from the Moms Co. This is their foot cream for dry as well as swollen feet. It is natural foot cream. It has argan oil, natural vitamin E, peppermint essential oil. Why I love this, especially for traveling, is first of all, it comes in a very small travel size tube, and it is also good for swollen feet if you are tired by the end of the trip, which is possible in traveling. And we were like walking a lot more than our expectation. So this came like really, this was really helpful. I didn't use it throughout the trip, but whenever I used it, whenever I tried to use it, it was really helpful. So I recommend this. Okay, so lip balm. Lip balm was so much needed in my last trip because I don't know, my lips were drier than usual. I don't know if it was water intake or the weather or what, but yes, this was again from the Momsco. It's the cherry lip flavored balm, not tinted, but it is so hydrating. And also the Carmex lip balm, these two have been in my kit and have been used by me non-stop. The Carmex one has SPF, so it was good for the day. So mascara, I wanted something that was waterproof. Okay, but this one, oh my god, it was so difficult to get rid of this until and unless I used a cleansing balm and an oil mixed together. It was not possible for me to get rid of this. So, It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara is really good, and I don't know if it's available on Amazon, but this is something I really want to recommend. This is the travel size again, and also most important, the SPF. So, I had separate SPF for my body and my face, minimalist sunscreen for my face. It is a little hydrating, but I used it whenever I was in the northern parts of the Vietnam. It's less humid and it's a little colder than the rest of the part of the Vietnam. South was like, it was impossible for me to use a hydrating sunscreen, so I just relied on the other SPFs, like Super Goop Pat one. But for body, this has been my go-to. Even wherever I go, whether I'm in my hometown or away, this is the only when I use it's super hydrating. So I just don't use body lotion, especially on my exposed areas. I just use this and just does the job so wonderfully. Next, we also needed some pouches for the phone. So I got this from Amazon. It was super quick delivery and it was really helpful because you can actually operate your phone with this and you don't have to worry about it. So, oh, I also forgot this bathrobe from Amazon. It was so good because many times you don't have towels with you and towels are very uncomfortable. So, bathrobe is very quick and the bathrobes are really quick and easy to just wrap around and tie and go about the rest of your peachy routine. So yes, last item which I'm actually mentioning in the last but actually was the most helpful throughout my trip was this VN Care boob tape, and it is not actually just the boob tape, it comes with some nipple covers as well as fashion tapes which are actually so sturdy that it will also resist the humid temperature and water whatnot. I wore it in that backless dress which I showed you in the first one. The first item was that black backless dress. So I wore this fashion tape in the inner part of my plunge neck area. I used this tape and it was raining that day and I was so damn afraid if it tears off. But it was so such a savior that it did not move. Not only that, I even wore it the next day. The tape was still on that cloth. I stuck it on my skin and it was working just fine the way it was the first time. So what else do you need? So yes, this was all about the haul from Amazon for this last trip. And if you found something amazing for you, if you found something good for you, do let me know which item you really wanted and which item you would really get for you. So yes, thank you so much for watching. Bye.